Hello guys, welcome to my channel SK Coders. So, as I told you in the last video, this last video will be part 1 of learning groups in Java. So this is part 2. And in the part 2, we are going to learn for loop. So let us start our video. So guys, as you can see, I have opened my workspace. Let me just remove this. Hey you guys, move. Bruh. Yeah, so guys, it is just removed. As you can see my workspace. Last time we studied while loop. So Alt Shift plus N opens the tab new. Alt plus Shift plus N class. Just create a Java class. And then the interface will pop up. It is not happening, so let me try once more. Yeah, so here it came. Are there more than one? Yes, there are more than one. Let me go this way. So public static void main string, we want it for loop. So finish this. So as you can see, our class is. So let me just remove this everything. And first of all, we need a scanner class. Scan is equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon. So it will throw an error, of course. We just have to click on that bulb, import java.util.scan. Yeah, so it happens automatically. So now we have to create two integers called table and answer, like our previous class, integer, table and answer. Then we have to do this same till this line. So I'll just copy from here and paste it here. Okay, and here now comes the main thing. So we will just write here for and then open brackets. In this we will write yeah, so integer integer answer is equal to 1. Integer answer is equal to 1. Integer answer is equal to 1. So guys, you might be thinking, why is it throwing error? I will tell you. Because we have already made an answer integer. And we are making a new here. Duplicate local variable. Understood? So let me just remove it from here. And now let's see. Error is not coming. Then answer is less than or equal to 10. Yeah. And then answer plus incrementing the answer's value. And then just open curly bracket, enter. And so here we will have to print system. No, we'll just copy it from here. You know what? This. No, that not it. Copy and paste. Save. Run. Let us now run our program. So wasn't it easy? Yeah, it was. I knew. So 1. It works, guys. So like this we have created another table program by receiving an input from the user with the help of for loop. In the next video we'll do it with the do while loop. So for now, bye guys, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel.